So, you want to build a website? It's a bit like building a house. To make it work, you need the three pillars of development: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. They're all important, but not 100% necessary except for HTML to build a web app. First is HTML. If your website was a house, HTML would be the bare minimum structure. We're talking the floors, the walls, the roof. It tells the browser what is on the page, like this is a heading or this is a picture. But you can technically have a house with just the frame, but it's not exactly cozy. The same goes for the web. Here is what a site like the New York Times looks like without any styling. I know, right? It's the exact same content structure as the site with CSS, but clearly not the end result we want. That's where CSS comes in. CSS is your interior designer. It handles the colors, the fonts, and where everything sits. If HTML is the what, CSS is the how it looks. It turns that messy list of links into a beautiful, organized experience. Finally, we have JavaScript. It's what adds functionality to the web, what actually makes the house livable. It's your heating system and electricity and water and Wi-Fi. Basically, all your appliances. When you click a button and a menu slides out, or you heart a post and it glows, that's JavaScript. It's the logic that reacts to what you do. So remember, just like you could live in a house that's nothing but four bare walls, you can have a website with only HTML, but you really need CSS and JavaScript to make it a home. Thanks for watching. If you want a simple intro to HTML, where I break down all the basics like tags or other core concepts, drop a comment below.